Question number 5 is cubical box is given to you of age 10 centimeter and cuboidal box is given. L is 12.5 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, H is 8 centimeter. Now first question is which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So we will find lateral surface area of each shape, isn't it? So first lateral surface area or LSA I will write in short form. LSA of cube. We know what is the formula 4a square, isn't it? So a we got as 10, so 10 square. So 4 into 100, answer is 400 centimeter square. Now we will find LSA of cuboidal box, that is cuboid. So what is the LSA? See, L2LB part won't come, isn't it? So what is the LSA formula here? 2L plus B into H you can write. Now all the dimensions are given to you. Just put these values in this. 10, B is 10, H is 8. So 22.5 into 8. So 16 into 22.5. That will give answer as 360. Okay, 360 centimeter square. Now out of this, which one will have greater lateral surface area? We can say 400 and 360. Which one is greater? 400. And by how much? So to find how much, we will subtract this. So we will write therefore cube has greater surface area by how much means 400 minus 360, that will give 40 centimeter square by 40 centimeter square. Okay. Now the second part of the question is which box has the smallest total surface area by how much? That means we should find TSA of cube, which can be given by 6a square formula. So 6 into 10 square means 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter square. Then TSA of cuboid also we should find. TSA of cuboid means 2LBBHHL. Okay. Now substitute all the values. 12.5 into 10. Then B into H means 8 into 10. H into L means 8 into 12.5. Okay. So this will give 125. This will be 80. And this will be 100. Okay. So you will get answer as 305, which will be 610 centimeter square. Now question is not about the greater TSA, about the smallest TSA. So then cube has smallest TSA. By how much? So by 10 centimeters. So we can write here, therefore cube has smallest TSA by how much? By 610 minus 600 means 10 centimeter square.